Good day, great listeners of Experts Life Coach and Health Arena. You are welcome again. I'm not going to take a lot of your time today. This is Experts Life Coach, where we give you a lot of talk on health issues, general life issues. My discussion this morning is what I term holding on. Holding on. This is very important for me, considering the cases of depression I have witnessed in recent time. Not talking about only depression, of young people committing suicide. It is very important I discuss this. Depression is so important that in 2017, it was dedicated by World Health Organization as International Day, where we celebrate, when the topic, the theme was depression. Let's talk. What I'm simply asked us to do today is hold on. Talk to somebody today. That's our discussion today. Hold on. Talk to somebody today. Many of us are holding on with a lot in our hearts, with a lot in our minds. Most men feel as if sharing their pain, that simply means they are no longer men of quality. It simply means they are no longer strong. No. Please, no matter what you are going through, I'm encouraging you to hold on. That it is the darkest parts of the tunnel, you know you are coming close to your light. Do not give up today, as those who give up are the ones who are losing today. No matter what you are passing through, be it health issue, be it relationship issue, be it academic issue, the younger ones, don't be in a haste. How can you compare your one step with somebody's 100 step? We should stop looking at somebody's success story without looking at their comeback story. Stop looking at people's success story without looking at let me put it in another way. Stop looking at people's glory without paying attention to their story. Please and please and please stop looking at other people's glory without paying attention to their story. Many people who have made today, many people who are successful today, they had a lot of ups and downs. Being it Bonaboe, being Dangote, all the great minds of today. Please stop imitating the life on social media, thinking that no, all the leaders are not good. Let's be careful. No matter what you're passing through today, I'm encouraging you to hold on. If there's nobody to talk to, you can reach us at the Experts Life Coach and Health Arena. We have received a lot of call and we have seen a lot of people who are toying towards the path of suicide. Please, I'm encouraging you today. Hold on. Hold on. Because success is already at the corner. If you must hold on, quit comparing your life with others. If there's somebody in social media that's giving you a lot of tension, there's nothing wrong in blocking them. Yes, for your peace of mind. If the social media give you a lot of pressure, there's nothing wrong. It's taking some days off the social media. Let me tell you, social media is not real life. Social media, some life in the social media, it is one of the fakest life to live. Social media pressure have sent a lot of people to their untimely death. Please, hold on. And how do you hold on? You can hold on by redefining what you want in life. You can hold on by quit believing what people say about you. Don't judge yourself from people's eyes. You own yourself. Know you're a conqueror. Know you can make it. Doesn't matter. If it is now you're hearing me, this is your money. Start planning now. You're going to make it. The year is coming to an end. You definitely had a lot of dreams and ambition to catch up. You are wondering, no, it is not too late. The rest part of the year is enough to catch up and take over. So do not give up. Never and never you contemplate suicide. It is never an option. What do you think about your brother and sister, your relatives? What would they feel if you take your life today? They will be heartbroken. Please, talk to somebody today. Talk to a trusted person. Talk to your life coach expert. Talk to your person you trust today, so that your burden will be light. Don't share your burden with those who will laugh at you and rather broaden your burden. Yes, the country is hard. The life is difficult. But no matter what, do not give up. Hold on. I can assure you that life will surely be better. Do not forget what you see now. Forget the difficulties now. When things are getting very, very hard, be rest assured that light is about to shine forth. Do not give up. Do not give up. Remember your loved ones. If you have any problem, share with us at Expert Life with Jaidaran. You are safe. Remain blessed. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Anything that gives you unnecessary pressure in life, do well to let go of it. Be relationship, be life issue, be health issues. The Lord is always there for you. He will come through for you. I promise you, you'll be fine. You will be fine. I know that. God bless you.